Here I go, here I go, here I go, here I go. Yeah, bitch, I heard that you were looking for me. Here I go, here I go, here I go, here I go. Word around.
I'm bringing that dog shit back. Where all my dog niggas at? I'm bringing that dog shit back. Where all my dog niggas at? I'm bringing that dog shit back. Where all my dog niggas at? I'm bringing that dog shit back. Where all my dog niggas at? I can't do.
Here I go, here I go. Word around town, they looking for me. All I hear is keenness and keen neck. Keep my name out your mouth, and I mean that. Fist fights and shootouts, I've been through all that. If ain't a motherfucking soldier, what you call that? Bitch ass nigga, police pulled me over, leaving the mile, searching my drawers. Can we search that booty? That big old booty? That booty? Doo-doo.
Keep the nature center wild. Please stay on the trails.
Alright, we gotta count how many critters we find.
Okay.
Every motherfucker on the road right now cannot drive with a motherfucker. Including this one. She ain't even driving right now. She already thinking about wrecking some shit. Lizards don't freak you out too bad. Nigga, I done seen you. I done seen you. Talking about they don't freak me out too bad. Nigga, please.
I'm not really a fan of the reptile thing.
You ain't a fan of too much of shit. Did you say titties or kitties?
I said kitties.
Oh, I mean, I like both.
There you go. Oh, yeah.
Just not the one that go meow. Hello.
John Diamond made the beat and I'm gon' kill it.
Like
It's big.
man, big as hell. I don't know what the hell it is.
It's a turkey, ain't it? It ain't a turkey.
That no goddamn turkey.
It's something.
That motherfucker ain't gobbling.
Look, yeah, you see how he looked at him?
Yeah, you finna eat some shit.
Yeah.
That's his cousin right there.
All the vultures.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
You might need to get up over here. You look like a little critter anyway.
They think I'm a meal.
Yeah, you is a little male, little thick ass. Go ahead. Yeah. Toot toot. Go on, find you a rock to skip.
I remember when I taught my nephews how to skip rocks. That shit's
Nah, don't run now. Go on, skip that rock. That bird don't want nothing to do with you.
okay.
We know you look like a snack. That was decent. Oh yeah, see.
John Diamond made the beat and I'm gon' kill it.
Like, really, dude. It's your favorite bridge, ain't it?
What?
I said it's your favorite bridge, ain't it?
I remember one time I was over here with my friend Sophia, and we saw a dead snake. It was turned over. It looked so nice.
Ironically, this is the same place I seen a dead snake. Got some fish in there.
John Diamond made the beat and I'm gon' kill it.
Like,
Yeah.
Phone calls, bad bras, party hard, yeah.
I got us a snake. You don't want to move now. Move with your little bitch ass. Got us a turkey over here. Turkey. Turkey way over here. Gobble her little ass up. If they come around, they finna come get you. Yeah, they see a snack over here. Toot toot. Oh, so that's what we doing now? We popping squats.
I was waiting on
You won't wait on me. Do they eat algae? To be honest with you, I do not know that answer. These little shits right here, though. Yeah, I'm gonna need to get you. Well, this shit made me want to go fishing so bad.
I know, right?
So bad. Talk to my nigga.
Smell that.
Smell like doo-doo.
Smells like
Somebody fake barbecuing.
John
I
Diamond
used
made the
to
beat
dream
and I'm
about
gon' kill
shit
it.
like this.
Drum
Yeah,
down.
phone calls, bad bras, party hard, yeah. I used to dream about shit like this. Bank rolls, plenty hoes, cash flow, yeah. I used to dream about shit like this. Phone calls, bad bras, party hard, yeah. I used to dream about shit like this. Bank rolls, plenty hoes, cash flow, yeah. I used to dream about shit like this. Maybe I deserve, nigga, maybe I deserve to have valet park my car.
Yeah, some peaceful ass shit. But let me catch your weak ass sitting down one more time, see what happens.
I told you I was meditating.
I'm gonna meditate my foot off in your ass, weak ass nigga. These motherfuckers true. Got the whole goddamn stroll. And you know what? Fuck it.
Dream, fucking on my queen and California kings. Yeah, how you gon' betray your clique and switch up on the team? Oh, I'm not mad, it's just sad that you didn't believe. Used to hustle front the store, nigga, not no more. Turn my boots and fade into a webby fro. I get so much love when I rock a show. Fresh as fuck, the shit niggas will do for these designer clothes. Phone calls, bad bras, party hard, yeah. I used to dream about shit like this. Bank rolls, plenty hoes, cash flow.